Welcome to the DVCom Systems channel. Today, we're diving into why fiber optic networks are the gold standard when it comes to resisting signal interference, a critical factor in maintaining high-speed, reliable communication in homes, businesses, and entire infrastructures. Unlike traditional copper cabling, fiber optic cables transmit data using light instead of electrical signals. This makes them naturally immune to electromagnetic interference (EMI) and radio frequency interference (RFI), the very disturbances that can cause slowdowns, dropped signals, or total failure in copper-based systems. Think about environments like hospitals, data centers, or manufacturing facilities, where high-power equipment or dense networks are constantly in use. Fiber optic cables stand strong against the noise and remain unaffected. That's because the core of a fiber cable is made of glass or plastic, which doesn't conduct electricity, meaning no crosstalk or electric signal bleed from surrounding systems. In addition to interference resistance, fiber optics offer longer transmission distances, faster speeds, and greater bandwidth capacity, all while being lighter and more durable than copper. So whether you're running a secure business network or a high-speed residential connection, fiber optics deliver uninterrupted, crystal-clear performance, no matter the environment. For safe, certified, and professionally installed fiber optic solutions, trust DVCom Systems, serving Brooklyn and beyond. Call us at 888-501-5885 or visit www.dvcsny.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.